Welcome to the Peaceful Play Show. Today I have a special guest who's up here and she is working on chalk drawing. So today, by the end of this video, you're gonna know how to take your chalk drawing to the next level with some easy techniques to make the play outside longer lasting. So I'm Stephanie Anderson. I have 3 kids. We're all stuck at home. We're all trying to find ways to make the time pass a little bit more quickly and have our kids learn a few things or two. So for us, we don't have a big backyard, but we do have a beautiful sidewalk kind of right in front of our home, and it's perfect for chalk drawing. So with this chalk drawing lesson, it's pretty exciting because I know there's the first option of creating a chalk message that is uplifting to others who walk by. Maybe it's smile, maybe it's your favorite quote, maybe it's something like that. Then the other idea for chalk drawing, of course, is to make a game. You can do hopscotch. I just saw my friend, she had this post literally an hour ago where she made a giant chutes and ladders game in her, I don't know, on her driveway or her street. It looked amazing. So shout out to Kristen for doing that. And you can also do just giant foursquare. That's a favorite game among our kids. And now I'm gonna go up and we're gonna chat with Ashley, and she's gonna show you how to take a regular chalk drawing and make it into this most beautiful work of art. And this is inspired by Waldorf schools. Waldorf has a special way of teaching chalk drawing. We are gonna go to Ashley and she is gonna share what we just learned on how to make our chalk drawings extra special works of art. Check out what she is making right now. Ashley, show us what you just learned. How did you make this chalk drawing so intense and so gorgeous?
So, what I learned is to start with the chalk drawing. You need a blue background. There's so many different techniques you can use with just a blue background.
And so one of the things we found is if you're not actually on a chalkboard, but you're on a surface that's really rough, you can't just put the chalk down like this. You have to then do what?
You have to blend it.
Look at that. Isn't that amazing, you guys? So you just blend it in. And then it creates these really gorgeous drawings. Okay, so show them how you make a tree.
Okay, so for a tree, we don't have any brown chalk, so we use orange chalks. And it's really important that you have to break them, because if they're just whole like this, it doesn't produce the nice effect that broken ones do. But for the grass first, you use a yellow if you don't have green. And on the blue, once you blend the yellow, it looks just like green. For the trunk of the tree, an orange, and then you make sticks for the branches. And when you blend that, it looks just like brown. Add a yellow. And when you add the yellow and then you blend it, it looks so green. I used pink for the swings on there, and then I made a sun with orange and yellow, because if I just blended the yellow, it'd turn up green. I drew a tree over there, so that's like a swing set. And then I drew a forest with a heart back there that says forest. And then I didn't really know what I was doing for that one, but I just drew the green, and then I added orange, and then I added rainbow colors, and then a tree and some birds.
So we just had some chalk on hand that was just like this. I bought this dustless chalk to use indoors. It is not dustless. It is very messy, and that is why it's a great idea to be outdoors. But we've been experimenting with sidewalk chalk, just the regular old sidewalk chalk, and that works as well, but it's just bigger, so it's harder to break it into smaller pieces, right, to make the fine details. Mm-hmm. So anyway, we just thought it would be fun to pop on and show you guys just give you some extra ways to make chalk drawing fun, because we found that after we did like the basic drawing, we're kind of over it, and this made it really, really interesting for a longer period of time. And now the boys are joining us. So my daughter and I have been working on this for the past hour, but now the boys are finally joining us. So I have a feeling they're gonna wanna do it now, and we'll probably be playing hopscotch and games and everything. And if you walk by our house, you are gonna have a big kaleidoscope of color. So if you're looking for something to do, I hope this gave you some ideas. Again, the 3 ideas are, with chalk, you can make a beautiful picture for someone walking by to have a nice quote or an inspiring message. Number 2, you can make a big game. Someone I know made a big chutes and ladders, or you can do a 4-square court or hopscotch. And then number 3 is to turn it into a piece of art and artwork, which is what we've been doing for the past hour. So hopefully this will give you a little bit of joy on this crazy time right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day today. I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.